Welcome friend. Today we are discuss on topic on PERT and CPM techniques. PERT is a very important topic for the project analysis. First upon the what is the project? A project is a temporary efforts undertaken to create a unique service or products. Plan your work first, then work your plan. Uh, Next is the basic comparison between the PERT and CPM. The PERT is the probabilistic models, CPM is the deterministic models. PERT estimate three time estimate like optimistic time, most likely time, and pessimist. CPM estimate single time estimate. The history of PERT and CPM. PERT developed by the US Navy for the planning and control of the Polaris missile programs. CPM developed by DuPont to solve the project scheduling problems. Next is the application of PERT and CPM techniques. It is important application for the construction of dam or canal, construction of building or highways, maintenance of overall aircraft base, designing a prototype of machines. Next is the step in PERT and CPM. There are four steps. First one is a planning, second one is a scheduling, third one is allocation of resources, and fourth one is the controlling of the. And next is the framework of the PERT and CPM. First, define the project. The project should have only a single start activity and single finish activities. Develop the relationship among the activities. Draw the network connecting all the activities. Next is the CPM. CPM stands for critical path methods. It is drafting the design program or projects, evaluation of drafted program or projects, review of evaluative program. Next one is the PERT. PERT stand for project or program evaluation and review techniques to analyze and represent the task involved completing a given projects, accommodate the variation event completion times. Next one is the basic terms of network activity. Activity means a particular time required for the completion of projects. Event means the duration of the times. Network diagram is direction. Critical means longest pathway. Next is a comparison between PERT and CPMs. Both are the quantitative techniques of the network analysis. Both are used as a tool for decision making, both in a drawing analysis network or in various scores. Next one is the advantages of the PERT and CPM. First advantages is reduction in cost, means elimination of risk complex activity. Second is the flexibility, means optimization of resources, and third one is the reduction of uncertainties. Next one is the disadvantages of PERT and CPM. Network charts tend to be large. Next is a lack of time frame of most PERT and chart makes harder to show status. Planning and implementation requires skillful personnel. Thank you watching my video. Thank you all of you.